Welcome back to the showroom. Today we're getting an exclusive first look at the brand new 2026 Kawasaki ZZR 600 lineup.
Welcome to Bike Zone showroom riders. How are you? Pause for a moment, because some motorcycles don't chase the future. They remind the future where it came from. This is not nostalgia. This is controlled speed reborn. In 2026, the motorcycle world is obsessed with extremes. Hyper-naked monsters, electronic overload, touchscreens, riding modes stacked on top of riding modes. But Kawasaki does something unexpected, something bold, something that only a confident manufacturer would dare to do. It brings back a name that once defined real-world performance, a name that balanced speed, comfort, and everyday usability better than almost anything else on the road. This is the 2026 Kawasaki ZZR 600. The ZZR badge has always stood for a very specific philosophy. Not track-only aggression, not laid-back touring softness, but the perfect middle ground. A motorcycle that can cross cities, crush highways, and still deliver a serious adrenaline rush when the road opens up. In 2026, Kawasaki doesn't reinvent that idea, it sharpens it. At first glance, the ZZR 600 looks familiar yet unmistakably modern. The aerodynamic full fairing flows smoothly from front to rear, sculpted not just for looks but for stability at speed. The dual headlight design has evolved into sharp LED units, giving the bike a focused, predatory stare. This isn't flashy design for social media. This is functional aggression. The bodywork hugs the chassis tightly, creating a sleek silhouette that looks fast even when standing still. The riding position tells you everything you need to know. Sporty, but not punishing. Forward-leaning, but not risk-breaking. This bike is designed to be ridden hard and ridden far. At the heart of the 2026 ZR 600 sits a refined inline-four engine, a configuration that has become increasingly rare in the middleweight segment. Kawasaki keeps it alive for one reason: it works. Smooth, rev-happy, and endlessly satisfying. This engine doesn't explode with power at low RPMs. It builds, it sings. It rewards commitment. Roll on the throttle and the ZZR responds with precision. Below mid-range, it's calm and manageable. Above it, the engine wakes up, pulling harder and harder as the revs climb. This is classic Kawasaki behavior: linear, predictable, and thrilling. You don't ride this engine lazily. You dance with it. And when it comes alive, the sound is unmistakable. A clean, mechanical inline-four scream that grows sharper with every 1,000 RPM. No artificial noise. No electronic trickery. Just air, fuel, and combustion doing exactly what they were meant to do. This is where the ZZR 600 separates itself from modern competitors. While others rely on torque-heavy twins and triples, the ZZR delivers a traditional sport bike experience. Tuned for the real world, the chassis plays an equally important role. Stable at speed, composed in corners, and confidence-inspiring on highways. This is a motorcycle that feels planted at triple-digit speeds, yet still agile enough to handle twisty roads with ease. The longer wheelbase adds straight-line stability, making it an exceptional highway machine. High-speed riding is where the ZZR 600 feels at home. Wind protection is excellent thanks to the carefully shaped fairing and windscreen. At cruising speeds, the bike slices through the air smoothly, reducing fatigue and allowing you to focus on the ride instead of fighting the wind. This is sport touring done right. Suspension tuning reflects the bike's dual personality. Firm enough to stay composed during aggressive riding, yet compliant enough to absorb rough pavement. Long rides don't leave you exhausted. Short rides don't leave you bored. It strikes that rare balance between comfort and control. Braking performance is strong and predictable. The front brakes offer excellent bite with smooth modulation, allowing confident braking from high speeds. Kawasaki knows that a bike capable of sustained speed needs brakes that inspire trust, and the ZZR delivers. Ergonomics are one of the ZZR 600's strongest advantages. The seat is supportive, the foot pegs are sporty but reasonable, and the handlebar position keeps weight balanced. You can ride this bike for hours without feeling punished. This is not a track toy pretending to be street-friendly. This is a street machine with sport bike DNA. Technology is present but restrained. You get modern essentials, clean digital instrumentation, basic rider aids, and safety systems that work quietly in the background. Nothing distracts you, nothing interrupts the connection. The bike still feels mechanical, still feels honest. In a world of overcomplication, the ZZR 600 feels refreshing. Now let's talk about where it sits in today's market. Bikes like the Yamaha R7, Kawasaki Ninja 650, and Honda CBR 650R all compete in similar territory. But the ZZR 600 offers something they don't, a fully fared, inline-four sport touring experience that feels more mature, more composed, and more versatile. It's not as aggressive as a SUPR RT. It's not as relaxed as a TOUR. It's exactly what many riders have been missing. Reliability has always been a ZZR strength. Kawasaki's inline-four engines are proven, durable, and capable of high mileage with basic maintenance. This is a motorcycle built to last, not just impress on paper. Ownership is straightforward. Parts availability is strong, and the platform is known for long-term dependability. This is a bike you buy with confidence. So who is the 2026 Kawasaki ZZR 600 for? It's for riders who want speed without suffering. For riders who remember when sport bikes were fast but still usable. For commuters who want excitement, travelers who want performance, and enthusiasts who value balance over extremes. It's for riders who want to ride far, not just fast, on the road. The ZZR 600 feels composed, purposeful, and addictive. It encourages smooth riding, clean lines, and confident throttle control. It doesn't intimidate, but it demands respect. Every ride feels meaningful. Every mile feels earned. This bike doesn't try to dominate the conversation. It simply dominates the road. The return of the ZZR 600 in 2026 is a statement. A reminder that motorcycles don't need to be overloaded with technology to be great. They need to be well-engineered, well-balanced, and built with intention. Conclusion. The 2026 Kawasaki ZZR 600 is a celebration of intelligent performance. A motorcycle that blends speed, comfort, and reliability into a single, cohesive experience. It respects the rider's skill, it rewards commitment, and it proves that some ideas don't age, they evolve. This is not a comeback. This is a continuation. Thank you for listening to this deep cinematic breakdown of the 2026 Kawasaki ZZR 600. Now tell me, do you prefer balanced sport touring machines like this or extreme modern sport bikes? If you enjoy honest motorcycle storytelling without marketing noise, subscribe to Bike Updater Pro. Ride safe, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.